Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to do an unboxing video of some lights for Christmas tree decoration, and I like two of them. I have to do an unboxing. I don't know what kind of lights are here, and gifted by my mother, and also gifted to my mother. Someone gifted, and that's it. Let's do unboxing right now. Ça va être coutille. So as you can see, the two boxes, one is bigger and one is small, and I have to open first this biggest. Let's see what's inside. So here we go. As you can see, here is a button which we have to press and see what kind of color on the lights. We need something. So it is perfect to put here back on my plants. That's it. I will see on what plants. This is like big. Anyway, now let's see on the second box. And as you can see here, this one is smaller than this, and I guess it's the same model, I guess. And let's check out. Plug here, and we'll see. So I chose this one, more big and more colors. I like very much. I have to crimp here on my plants, and will be interesting. Colorful it will be, and yeah, I will do that. Let's start. We will see how long it is, and I'm gonna put it here somewhere. Look, another example here. I turn off the light from it was in front of me when I filming videos, so just look at it, the result, beautiful. So here is the final result. I like very much, and we'll see my back. As you can see, it's more beautiful. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. I'll catch you next time. George was here. Happy holidays. Bye bye.